In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide an email address on a YouTube channel and protect your privacy easily. If you've added contact information to your channel in the past, it's a good idea to review what's visible to the public. This is especially important if you originally used a personal email and now want to keep that private. Start by opening YouTube Studio in your web browser and signing into the Google account that manages your YouTube channel. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click Customization. This is where you can manage how your channel appears to viewers. At the top of the page, select the Basic Info tab, then scroll down until you see the Contact Info section. This area shows whether you've added a business email address to your channel. Take a moment to check exactly what's listed there. If you no longer want your email to appear, you have two options. You can delete the email address from the contact info field entirely, or you can replace it with another email address that's used only for business inquiries. Using a separate business email is often the safer option if you still want brands, viewers, or collaborators to be able to reach you without exposing your personal inbox. After making your changes, click Publish in the top right corner to save everything. Don't skip this part because your updates won't go live until they've been published. Next, open your YouTube channel in a browser and go to the About section if it's available, or check your channel details to confirm that the contact information has been updated correctly. This quick review helps make sure the change actually appears the way you expect. It's also smart to check any linked accounts or external links you've added to your channel description or profile. Sometimes personal contact information can still appear through linked pages, even after you remove it from YouTube itself. From there, review your Google account privacy settings and confirm that your personal email address isn't being shared publicly through any other Google services. Then check both recent and older video descriptions to make sure your email hasn't been included there as well. Finally, make it a habit to monitor future updates. Anytime you edit your channel details, descriptions, or contact information, double check everything before publishing. That small step can help you keep your personal email private and your channel more secure.